Dropshipping is a great way to start an online business. You don't need to hold any inventory, which makes it easier to manage and less risky. With dropshipping, you sell products from a supplier who handles the storage and shipping. You focus on marketing and customer service. This business model is perfect for entrepreneurs who are just starting out. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is the low startup cost. You don't need to invest in inventory up front, which significantly reduces the financial barrier to entry. Dropshipping also offers flexibility and scalability. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection, and you can easily add or remove products from your store as needed.
Choosing your platform. Shopify versus WooCommerce. Shopify and WooCommerce are two of the most popular platforms for dropshipping. Shopify is a hosted platform, meaning that everything you need to run your store is provided for you, including hosting, security, and updates. On the other hand, WooCommerce is a self-hosted platform, which means that you need to find your own hosting and install WooCommerce on your server. Shopify is a great option for beginners. It is easy to use and has a wide range of features. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial, giving you a chance to try out the platform before committing to a paid plan. Shopify also has a large app store, offering a variety of plugins and extensions to enhance your store's functionality. WooCommerce is a more powerful platform than Shopify. It gives you more control over your store's design and functionality. WooCommerce is also free to use. However, you will need to pay for hosting, a domain name, and any premium themes or plugins you choose to use. WooCommerce is a good option for experienced users who are comfortable with web development. Both Shopify and WooCommerce are great platforms for dropshipping. The best platform for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your budget, technical skills, and the level of control you want over your store.
Setting up your dropshipping store. A step-by-step guide. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to set up your dropshipping store. This involves several key steps that will ensure your store is operational and ready for customers. First, domain selection. Your domain name is your store's online address. Choose a name that is relevant to your niche, memorable, and easy to spell. Second, design customization. Your store's design is crucial for attracting and engaging customers. Select a visually appealing theme that aligns with your brand. Customize it with your logo, colors, and high-quality product images. Third, product edition. Choose products from your supplier that align with your niche and target audience. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits and features. Use high-quality images to showcase the products. Finally, configure settings. Set up essential store settings, such as shipping options, payment gateways, tax rates, and customer service channels. Ensure all settings are accurate and optimized for a smooth customer experience.
Plugins are add-ons that extend the functionality of your dropshipping store. They can automate tasks, improve customer experience, and boost sales. Here are some must-have plugins for a successful operation. First, Oberlo for Shopify or WooDropship for WooCommerce. These plugins simplify product importing and order fulfillment from AliExpress. They automate tasks like adding products to your store, updating inventory, and processing orders. Next, Abandoned Cart Recovery. This plugin sends automated emails to customers who leave items in their cart without completing the purchase. It reminds them about their potential purchase and often leads to recovered sales. Then there's Live Chat. A live chat plugin allows you to interact with customers in real time, answer questions, and resolve issues promptly. It enhances customer service and builds trust. Lastly, email marketing integration. Integrate your store with an email marketing service like MailChimp. This allows you to collect email addresses and send targeted promotions, newsletters, and abandoned cart reminders.
Before launching your dropshipping store, thorough testing is crucial to ensure everything is working smoothly. This helps identify and fix any issues beforehand, ensuring a positive customer experience from day one. Start with functionality testing. Go through the entire customer journey on your store. Create an account, browse products, add items to the cart, go through the checkout process, and place a test order. Ensure all buttons, links, and forms are functioning correctly. Next, test your payment gateway by making a small purchase yourself. Verify that payments are processed correctly and that you receive order confirmations. Don't forget the mobile responsiveness check. In today's mobile-first world, ensure your store is fully responsive on different screen sizes. Test it on various mobile devices to ensure a seamless experience for mobile users. Finally, check your store's loading speed. A slow-loading website can lead to higher bounce rates and lost sales. Optimize images, use caching plugins, and choose a reliable hosting provider for optimal speed.
After thorough testing and refinement, it's time to launch your dropshipping store to the world. This involves making it visible to your target audience and driving traffic to generate sales. First, choose a launch date. Select a date and time for your launch, considering factors like your target audience's time zone and any planned marketing campaigns. Then, announce your launch. Spread the word about your new store through various channels. Utilize social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience and create excitement. Once your store is live, closely monitor its performance. Track key metrics like traffic, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Use analytics tools to identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategies accordingly. And remember, provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Address any issues or concerns effectively to build trust and encourage repeat business.
Setting up your dropshipping store is an exciting step towards entrepreneurial freedom. Embrace the learning process, adapt your strategies based on data and customer feedback, and continuously strive to improve your store's offerings and customer experience. Remember, success in dropshipping, like any business, requires dedication, persistence, and a passion for delivering value to your customers. Now that you have the knowledge, take action, launch your store, and embark on your dropshipping adventure.